Sigh.
That cake looks incredible.
Shh, it's all right now. I'm here.
I was so scared.
I know, you're safe. There you go, dear.
Thank you, Grandma.
Almost done now.
It feels so nice.
Here you are, dear. Made it just for you.
Thank you, Grandma. It looks wonderful.
Enjoy, my dear. It's all right, dear. I'm here.
Thank you. It's just been so hard.
I know. Take your time. Oh, you're soaked. Are you all right?
I'm okay, Grandma. Just a little rain.
Come in. Let me get you a towel. Here you go, dear. Careful, it's hot.
Thank you, Grandma. It's delicious.
Hey, you seem down. Want to talk?
Yeah, it's just been a rough day.
I'm here for you. I missed you.
I missed you too.
It's so nice to have you both here.
It's nice to be here, Grandma.
This tea is great.
It really is.
Oh, the kettle. There we go. You mean everything to me.
I love you so much, Grandma.
You make me so happy.
Me too.
Hey, everything will be all right.
I hope so. I'm just worried.
I'm here with you. Here, dear, have some tea.
Thank you, Grandma. It smells wonderful.
You always make the best tea.
I missed you so much.
I missed you too, Grandma. I love these quiet moments with you.
Me too. It's so peaceful.
I'm glad we have this. Wow, these are great.
You think so? They're wonderful, dear. Thanks. I'll add more detail.
See this diagram? It explains the process.
Oh, I see now. That's clever.
Exactly. It's simpler than it looks.
This tea is lovely. Your sketches are so detailed. Thank you, Grandma. I've been practicing.
I like this one. It has character.
This tea is just perfect for a rainy day.
It's so cozy, Grandma.
Yeah, I could stay here all day. Don't worry, dear. Everything will be all right.
Thank you, Grandma. Come here. The rain's not stopping.
I know, but we have to go.
Okay, let's be careful. Wow, look at all the designs.
Yeah, it's amazing. Let's go in.
I can't wait.
After you.